Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Maryland Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Mako Sharks. Standing outside their main campus and just had another beautiful afternoon experience with the AM/PM students and staff and the MPR. The building right behind me too. And the focus for today's assembly was more of a fun one. It was icebreakers, activities, games, but like team building style. And some of these were from when I was a youth pastor. I used to do with my youth group, but they have a special meaning behind them, some important life lessons. And so we, of course, had a lot of excitement, a lot of volunteers. We did the Dizzy Mummy, Face the Cookie, Nosedive, Elephant March, and whether it was the tennis balls that we used, the water bottles, the cotton balls, the petroleum jelly, the Oreo cookies, the tights or nylons. The students really got a lot out of it, and the staff as well. But the underlying message that I really tried to hammer home dealt with us getting real, right? Trying to lower our water lines, just like icebergs that are 10% above water, not just showing the superficial part of us or what's on the surface, but what's below, our fears, our secrets, our hopes, our goals, our dreams. A lot of times we're afraid to be the real us, right? But it takes too much energy to be someone that you're not. And some of the students that shared their heart with me after said, I've been afraid to sing in front of people before because I'm worried that they're going to judge me. I'm afraid that I can, wear this type of clothing because I might get made fun of. And yeah, people might still judge, people might still say mean things, but there's a lot of opinions out there, not all of them matter, right? We don't have to take that personally. As long as we know that our true friends, our real friends, are going to see us for this, the miracle that we talk about in every one of my assemblies because it's so important to me. The lines on our hands, the letter M for miracle, upside down W for worthy. As long as we keep that in the back of our mind, we know that we really can do anything. And we can show who we really are, right? We want to be ourselves because everyone else is taken. So it's time to take off that figurative mask, that costume that we also mentioned. And despite what mainstream media, the internet, social media, TV, everything tells us, that's right in our face all the time, sometimes 24/7. We got to be able to discern and decipher what's right versus wrong, right? And if the nature is true beauty, all of us are beautiful just the way we are, right? If it comes down to, you have to fit a certain mold or you have to be great at this one thing, this hobby activity, you don't always have to be the best. But as long as you're doing what you love, as long as you're helping those around you, supporting those around you, that's what really, really matters. So another gorgeous day, not just outside, but inside in our hearts here at Maryland. Had a great time. This is my final visit for this school year. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great last few weeks of 2025, 2026. Have a great summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.